What if your decor could do more than just look beautiful? What if it could say something powerful? Have you ever imagined transforming your space into a bold, joyful, and inclusive celebration of love, identity, and community? That's what Pride Decor is all about. Whether you're hosting a Pride Month party, decorating a storefront, or simply showing your colors at home, today's video is your guide to Pride Decor ideas that are vibrant, meaningful, and unforgettable.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why decorate for Pride, and what does it represent? Pride Decor is more than just color. It's a celebration of visibility, self-expression, and equality. It shows support for the LGBTQ+ community and creates inclusive spaces where everyone feels welcome. It reflects history, resilience, and progress while promoting love in all its forms. It invites connection, conversation, and joy in the most colorful way possible. If this message speaks to you, like and share this video with someone you celebrate Pride with. What colors and symbols are used in Pride Decor, and what do they mean? Every element in Pride Decor has meaning. It's a visual language of solidarity and celebration. The rainbow flag represents unity and diversity, with each color symbolizing a unique aspect of the LGBTQ experience. Trans flags, bisexual, lesbian, pansexual, and other identities have their own flags and palettes you can incorporate. Symbols like hearts, stars, lightning bolts, and inclusive phrases like "love is love" amplify the message. Which flag or symbol means the most to you? Comment below and share what it represents in your journey. What are some fun table decor ideas for Pride events or parties? Your table can be a canvas for creativity and a chance to bring the colors of the rainbow to life. Use a multicolored table runner or separate rainbow placemats for a bold base. Incorporate mason jars, vases, or candles in Pride flag colors filled with fresh or faux flowers. Label drinks or snacks with themed tags like Love Potion, Equality Bites, or Rainbow Fuel. Looking to style your table like we did here? Subscribe for more design walkthroughs. How can you create a statement wall or backdrop for Pride celebrations? A bold wall is the perfect way to turn any space into a Pride celebration centerpiece. Use streamers, rainbow fabric, or colorful paper fans to create a textured, layered rainbow wall. Add oversized letters that spell out Pride, Equality, or BU in bright hues or glitter. Include flags, fairy lights, or balloon garlands to give it depth, movement, and photo op appeal. Want more backdrop ideas? Check out the full playlist in the description. What DIY decor ideas can add a personal touch to your Pride display? DIY pieces make your decor feel more heartfelt and help you get creative on a budget. Paint your own signs with quotes, affirmations, or your chosen identity flag. Craft a photo garland with memories, community icons, or historic Pride moments. Make your own rainbow wreath, pom-pom banner, or Pride pinboard with personal messages and artwork. For all our DIYs are linked in the To Get You Started. How can you use lighting to enhance your Pride decor setup? Lighting makes everything pop, especially when you're celebrating something as bold and vibrant as Pride. Use rainbow LED strip lights, color-changing bulbs, or string lights to create an electric atmosphere. Backlight wall art or flags to highlight key decor pieces and add dramatic flair. Create cozy corners with soft uplighting, candles, or glowing jars in each color of the rainbow. Everything you saw in today's lighting Setup is linked in the description below. What are some outdoor pride decor ideas to show your pride beyond your walls? Let your celebration extend into the world. Make your porch, balcony, or garden a part of the party. Hang large pride flags or banners on railings or fences for visibility and impact. Use rainbow sidewalk chalk, balloons, or painted planters to decorate your path or lawn. Create an outdoor lounge with colorful cushions, fairy lights, and sun catchers for evening celebrations. Want more outdoor styling tips? Check the similar videos in the description for full outdoor guides. How can you include educational elements in your pride decor? Decor can also be a teaching tool. It can honor history and spark important conversations. Create a timeline banner featuring key events in LGBTQ+ history like Stonewall, marriage equality, and global pride dates. Frame quotes from activists or poets that highlight identity, resistance, and resilience. Include QR codes near displays that link to educational resources or support organizations. Interested in adding impact to your decor? Check the playlist for ideas that go deeper. So if you've been wondering how to make your home or event a space that not only looks vibrant, but feels like love, acceptance, and celebration, these pride decor ideas are your starting point. It's not about being perfect. It's about being bold, being visible, being proud. With the right colors, symbols, and creativity, your space can become a beacon of pride and power, 365 days a year.